For a person who has given us or contributed to our nation so much that be or should be met with dialogue or silence. Sonam Wangchuk today has been on a 17 days hunger strike and his health reportedly is getting bad. And this is what a hero is doing for us. Only a hero can do. This is not just another activist. He is an educator, an engineer, an innovator, and an environmentalist. Who doesn't know him? He had worked for our country. He had worked for the educational rights of the students in Ladakh. If you don't know about SCEMOL, it stands for Students Educational and Cultural Movement of Ladakh. It is not about the initiatives or the innovations only I'm talking about. He is one of the greatest hero for every one of us, for the youth that are coming in front of the world. He is the hero. He should be the person that we should all are looking for. History teaches us that hunger strike is not something that is new to us. Mahatma Gandhi, he is one of the most greatest Indian freedom fighters that we know. He used fasting for freedom. He used fasting for moral appeal. Poti Siramulu, who used fasting to create a Telugu speaking state. Next, from the northeast India, Iram Sharmila. She is an civil rights Indian activist. She used hunger strike or fasting to raise his voices against the Armed Forces Act that happened in 1958. These are the examples of our India who had sacrificed their life. Democracy is not something about when everyone agrees. It is something when a peaceful voice is heard. It is not always about politics. It is about the people who had been suffering and who was going through a lot. I know it's too late, but they should at least give a response to our problems, to our inequalities, to the matter that we are raising. So देश में अभी जो भी हो रहा है, it is not only about the food. खाने के बारे में ये नहीं हो रहा है प्रोटेस्ट. कौन कितना खा रहा है, कौन कितना नहीं खा रहा है, ये नहीं हो रहा है. The protest is about choosing the right path to raise his voices so that the voices can be heard. A peaceful protest can be done in this serious matter. He wants to be listened by the government, by the leaders of our country, by the people. मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ जिन लोग के वजह से we are standing here right now. We are living a great life only because of those soldiers or only because of those people. Educational inequalities that have been facing by the students in India. What about the students who gave up their life not only just for a single paper? It is because of their ambitions, their dreams that had removed by those people, not because of a single paper I'm trying to say. Because आज नीट का पेपर है, लीक हो गया, कल कोई और पेपर लीक होगा, कल कोई कुछ और हो सकता है. नॉट ओनली इन द टर्म्स ऑफ एजुकेशन, नॉट ओनली इन टर्म्स ऑफ एवरीथिंग. आई एम सेइंग कुछ भी हो सकता है. सो व्हाई नॉट जस्ट come together and take a stand for him? He is the person who has been suffering from the 17 days sleeping there without a single spoon of meal, because he's the only person who is without any fear, without any इतनी मुश्किल के बाद भी उन्होंने बहुत कुछ अपने लाइफ में झेला है. वी ऑल नो दैट ही हैज़ बीन सफरिंग अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स फ्रॉम अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. एंड इन सब के बाद भी ही इज़ टेकिंग अ स्टैंड फॉर अस ओनली. हम लोग के लिए स्टैंड ले रहा है. तो वाई नॉट जस्ट कम टुगेदर? Where are our leaders now? What they are doing right now? We want answers from our leaders, or they should at least speak about it. They should take a serious accountability in this matter, because if they don't, then what's the point of being leaders in our country? दिल्ली में जो जंतर मंतर में अभी जो हो रहा है, जो पीसफुल प्रोटेस्ट, अगर वो सब करने के बाद भी अगर we are not getting any kind of response, then what's the point of living in a democratic world or a democratic nation? That is what I really want to ask our leaders. इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है So we have to first know कि ये हो क्यों रहा है, एंड हम लोग अभी चुपचाप रह के सह सकते हैं, बट दिस इज इनफ, दिस इज समथिंग इनफ दैट हम लोग अभी लड़ेंगे नहीं तो ये लोग बदलेंगे नहीं. तो आज एक नीट का पेपर है, कल कुछ और हो सकता है. तो देश के लिए अगर यूथ जो हम लोग हैं, अभी हम लोग ही लड़ सकते हैं, हम लोग अभी आके कुछ बोल सकते हैं. तो मैं यही चाहती हूँ कि आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि इवन फॉर मी ऑल्सो एज अ पर्सन और एज अ स्टूडेंट आई कैनॉट गो टू जंतर मंतर बिकॉज इट्स वेरी फार. आई एम लिविंग इन नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया एंड आई एम फ्रॉम असम, सो it's not that easy to go and protest. But all I'm saying that at least I can make a video, at least I can raise a voice from the far away from there, from the northeast India as a whole, that I'm requesting our leaders. I know कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं है ये सब करके ऑब्वियसली, बिकॉज इतना लेट हो चुका है एंड अभी तक कुछ रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आया है. तो आई डोंट थिंक वी आर लिविंग इन अ डेमोक्रेटिक नेशन. आई डोंट बिलीव दैट. एंड एट लास्ट मैं यही बोलना चाहती हूँ कि देश में जो भी हो रहा है, प्लीज़ आप लोग ये चुप मत रहिए, आप लोग बैठे मत रहिए. प्लीज़ एटलीस्ट कुछ होने से भी आप लोग एक मैसेज पहुंचा दीजिए सोनम वांगचुक तक, या फिर आप लोग कुछ तो बोलिए ऐसा जो कि ये सिग्निफाई करता है दैट वी आर ऑल यूनाइटेड, आवर इंडियन पीपल, वी आर ऑल विथ यू सोनम वांगचुक. एंड यही चाहते हैं कि आपका हेल्थ, आपका वॉइस, आपका जो वॉइस है, आपका जो क्वेश्चंस यू वांट टू रेज, you are raising, and all the things that you want to make it better for our nation, we are with you and you are not alone in this issue or in this situation. That is what all I am trying to say. Thank you.